Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom, tap on advanced, and right under it we've got encryption and credentials. So let's enter, and at the very bottom we've got the option clear credentials. So let's tap on it, and here your device is asking you if you really want to do it, so simply confirm it with OK. If you've got a pattern or a pin, your device probably will ask you to enter it. And here we had the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.